The Mr. Show. We're going to start it off from the top. Let's go. Mr. Come on.
You have something that I just don't have.
Well, I guess there's limits to what money can buy.
You have something that I just don't have.
Well, I guess there's limits to what money can buy.
Okay.
Not many.
Well, some things are for sale.
Such as? You have something that I just don't have.
Well, I guess there's...
You gotta keep me happy because I will cheat.
What would you do, fellas? What would you do if you got that indecent proposal where this guy wanted to mess with your wife and you guys, you know, the story about Indecent Proposal is they are both very good at what they do. They're professionals, and apparently they got into some financial trouble, so they took their last bit of money, went to the Las Vegas to gamble, and they lost everything. And now they're wondering what the heck they're going to do. Right. And with that said, now they met this billionaire who is played by Robert Redford, the legendary, and he gives them what you see right here, the indecent proposal. Let's go. No more interruptions.
You have something that I just don't have.
This is the show.
Well, I guess there's...
What would you say?
Ciao.
You gotta keep me happy because I will cheat.
He'd tell you to go to hell.
Yes. Hold on. Could you see it? Could you picture another man griping your wife and holding her over?
Babes, I just wish you could have fucked yourself so you know how good your pussy really be.
Sound like a pussy one.
Yo, these Jamaican men, yo, I tell you, bro. I don't know where they come up with their lines, but she obviously likes it. Let's go one more time and we get right back into the indecent proposal.
Babes, I just wish you could have fucked yourself so you know how good your pussy really be. Cause you don't know how good your pussy be, you know?
You gotta keep me happy because I will cheat.
Diana's the reason.
Not for any man.
She is the best. Absolutely.
You are the best of them.
Best of them.
Best of them.
The pussy good, you know? Like, I could write a 1,000-word essay on how good your pussy be. Tight and right. What a delight. Oh, gosh. Man, alright. Yo.
You said I'm the best of them?
You are.
Oh, boy.
She's the best of the $1 Million Club.
Oh, boy.
Obviously.
Oh, ouch. She felt that one. While her husband's at home, she's in the truck, in the limousine, being told that she's the best of the $1 Million Club. Just one of the crew. Yo, how does she feel now?
$1 Million Club.
Now you've got it.
Damn.
Hey, Shackelford, would you stop the car?
Why would she say take care of him after she just heard that she's just one of many? See, women always move with them feelings, yo. No matter, even if it's just a grimy flex, they still got them feelings involved.
What was all that about?
I wanted to end it. She never would have looked at me the way she did at him.
Yeah, it's her husband, dude. This is the bus ride of shame, and here she is back home after the indecent proposal completed. Perfect.
Was he good? Was he good?
Yes.
Oh boy. That's it. It's done. He's done.
David, I did it for you.
How often do you shower?
Hold on. Hold on.
You have something that I just don't have.
He lost his mind when he realized, when she said that he was a stallion, he couldn't take it anymore. That ended it.
David, I did it for you.
Don't lie to me!
Ouch. Like, subscribe.
How often?
Obviously, the movie's longer, yeah, but shout out to the indecent proposal. And, I took that video up and, I might not get monetized or look there. I might get a strike. I don't know, but it was a wicked concept and movie from 1993. Now we've gone to the UK, and we just want to ask the ladies and the gentlemen, how often do you bathe? Because you're supposed to bathe I'm just going to say it right now. Unless you in a country where water is scarce, at least twice a day. At least. And I'm in a place where they have winter. So if it was summer, it would probably be more.
How often do you shower?
I shower only every night.
So you don't wake up in the morning, take up.
So only once a day, she said. Can't make this shit up, as Kevin Samuels would say. Oh, boy.
How often do you shower?
I shower only every night.
So you don't wake up in the morning, take off your jaws,
Yeah,
get
that's
in
what
the
I'm saying.
shower,
So
do
No,
your
'cause
things,
you
come
already
home,
did
take off your
the
jaws
night
and get in the
before.
shower.
you just got 8 hours of like funk on you, like you just.
You've definitely put your outside clothes on or gone to
I
the
sleep
shop,
naked.
come back. Yeah, that's a good thing to know, but let me get my point across. Let me land. Let me land.
No, but
You've
still,
definitely gone to the
every
shop
night.
in your outside clothes, come back and sat down on the bed.
No.
Every night.
Yes, you sleep fresh and you wake up fresh.
So how about you, man? How often do you shower?
Me, I wake
every
up
morning, every night.
Every morning.
Girls are different than guys.
I was about to say maybe that works for girls because
girls are
man
different
them
than guys. They're not.
I don't know about you guys, but for
big man
girls,
sing, man them wash your balls in the morning, bro.
Yeah,
that's
no,
all we
they
say,
don't.
bro.
Yeah,
you can
you
get
guys
smegma,
should,
dick cheese and all of that, bro.
It's
Don't do that to
It's
yourself.
getting hot.
It's a bit mad, bro. You get me? It's a bit mad. So
Real talk. Thanks for logging in to the Mr. Show. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll like your thing, you like my thing. I subscribe to you subscribe to me. We do this, yo. Once again, I'm trying to reach a goal, so get me there.